Akixi Presence, you can quickly and easily view the live status of your colleagues' extensions. So if, like many people, you now work from home and can't physically see your teammates across the office, this real-time status can be a great asset to save you time. You can instantly see who's free to answer your query or who's the best available colleague to transfer a call to. Your colleagues' tiles will change colour when they enter different states on their phone. Those you see highlighted in green are currently on the phone. Teammates highlighted in yellow have a call currently alerting on their phone. Any of your teammates who are highlighted in blue are set to Do Not Disturb and are not available to take any phone calls. And anyone who is not highlighted are currently idle. Now, if you hover your mouse over one of your team members, you will see a quick summary of their statistics. This at-a-glance summary allows you to view individual workload, ideal for seeing firsthand how you are collectively working as a team. You can also get an idea of how you are performing against your colleagues in real time, adding a spark of friendly competition with your teammates. Speaking of which, Akixi Presence allows you to view the status of your teammates, giving you the visibility you need to work collaboratively in and out of the office. Clicking on your agent tile, you can easily change to a custom agent state, such as making your teammates aware that you've gone for lunch. Great for when you're working from home and you want your team to know that you're away from your desk and unable to pick up any business inquiries. Here you can also sign in and out of groups, ideal for those busy periods when you need to respond quickly to a flurry of calls that are coming into another group within the business. And chances are that you belong to multiple groups within the business. You have the flexibility of creating separate reports for groups if you do not want to see all of your team on screen at once. Presence makes it so simple for you to keep a close eye on all the calls you have made or received. With this visibility, you can start to see how much time you are allocating every day to handle calls within the business. With stats like talk time and which groups you're picking up calls from, you can find out the type of calls that take the longest to deal with. Analysing through your completed calls, you can spot patterns such as the typical days or times you receive the heaviest influx of calls. This gives you the data you need to prepare for busy times in the future. You can pick up on different call trends by customising the time frame of the report. That is all for this video. You can keep up to date with all the latest Akixi news and information at akixi.com and across the Akixi social media channels, and the links will be in the description for those.